that third target, and I'd mentioned in my previous video VALE in a sell signal. We broke this primary rising falling bearish wedge pattern, and it's good for, so far good for a 16% drop. And really what happened was we cracked that 1905 support coinciding with that 50-day moving average, really took it out. We bounced off this 1808 very slightly for a good maybe a half maybe even a full percent bounce there, and to the button we had bounced right off that 1808, got rejected again. Next day came back out, and obviously coinciding with the 200-day moving average, 200-day moving average alongside that 1704 price support, and we effectively closed down below it on Friday, taking out that 200-day as well. So you really want to see some dip buyers step in. If not, we'll just mount straight down to that 1588 price support, coinciding with some of these gaps, and see if we even get a sort of a counter trend bounce from there. We are oversold on the RSI. We had huge negative bearish divergences constructed on all three indicators when I had mentioned this video in the previous video. Now we've got massive crossovers here on both the MACD and PPO, and really as you look at these indicators here, the way this thing just crosses down, it really looks like just a sinker. It's not even coinciding with the moving exponential moving average. It's just huge, just drop out like sinkers dropping down. And so again, maybe there's more downside. You could see clearly with some of these patterns. This one is just the velocity of how quickly it went off. Really, all starting with that diversion high too, and these huge resistance up above. I had mentioned the weekly and or monthly patterns here. Huge. I believe it was off the monthly. Yeah, monthly, right off the 2007 highs here. Beautiful resistance and beautiful crack down below, and we'll see if anything conspires from here, and I'll keep you updated if I see anything new.